So hey guys, it looks like the OnePlus Open will be better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in all key specs, such as display, camera, design and durability. OnePlus has focused on all important elements that make a foldable phone better and easy to use. And now it seems like OnePlus is serious about it and made some key improvements in the display resolution and RAM options, which is better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yes, the Z Fold 5's new foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display stretches an 1812 by 2176 resolution across 7.6 inches panel. However, according to the eminent tipster Digital Chat Station, OnePlus will upgrade the OnePlus Open to a 7.82 inches main display with a resolution of 2268 by 2440 resolution, which will give a better image and video quality than the Z Fold 5. Not only that, the OnePlus Open also has a 6.31 inches 2484 by 1116 cover display on its front, which might make its footprint larger than the 6.2 inches 904 by 2316 Z Fold 5. However, the OnePlus Open on the other hand is now supposed to have a more traditional 20:9 aspect ratio with the proportionals while it's closed. Tipster Max Jamberg shared a post that the purported OnePlus Open has been put through a durability test where it has managed to last over 400,000 folds without any damage on the hinge and display. If this is true, then the upcoming OnePlus Foldable could beat Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's 200,000 folds promise. The OnePlus Open's camera hardware, which includes two 48-megapixel shooters and one 64-megapixel sensor on its back, as well as a 32-megapixel front-facing snapper and a 20-megapixel selfie cam on the inside of the Fold, which is better than what the Z Fold 5 offers in that department. According to the leaked pricing details, the OnePlus Open could emerge as more budget-friendly option for consumers looking for a book-like foldable phone. Now, as per the tipster, the OnePlus Open will cost under $1,500. If this is true, OnePlus Open foldable smartphone might cost less than Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which start from almost $1,800. So what do you think about this OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.